Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. I just got this in the mail at least about half an hour ago. Pretty excited about it. So it's the Team Reinert Racing Man TGS. Not sure what the TGS stands for, but probably means awesome. Just quick take a look around the box. I mean, you have not much box art on this. They use just random boxes, not like the old, the Clodbusters and Super Brad, etc., etc. But it does come with a torque-tuned motor. More on the side. On the old back. And then just like that. So anyway, good enough. So let's get into the unboxing. This one. There we are. Nothing like a Thursday afternoon to do an unboxing. Been looking at these trucks and really wasn't that into it until on Forza 7 actually they released a truck like this and it was really fun to race. So my wife and I, Lisa, looked it up online and sure enough, yeah, we saw some races, thought it was really cool. So we thought we'd pick this up. So I got any tape on here? Nope and nope. Alright. So this is your basic kit. What it is telling you here, you're going to need your own battery, controller, receiver, etc. and your servo. But the kit comes with pretty much everything else. Tricky. There we go. Let's put this to the side. Right there. Maybe. Alright, so let's take a look at some of the parts. First we'll get first we'll start right at the top. So it looks like we have some suspension pieces, body mounts, a bunch of other things. This is going to be friction shocks, which might be quite fun. It does come with bushings and not bearings, which I have plenty of those, so that's not a problem. So yeah, so that's our B bag. Wow, look at that. That is fantastic. Make sure that's getting into the shot. Yeah, so a lot of detail here. If that can be seen, because I know it's clear. That is awesome. Little turbo, engine, bar thing, fuel tank. Yeah, that's cool. I like that. I mean, one thing is building the kit. I love it. But when you actually get to do your own bodies, I really like that too. Antenna tube, clear, just like the body. Something I normally don't use anymore. Alright, take a look at that. You can see that very well. But here's the front of the cab. And it looks like this is going to be part of the front bumper possibly. And then the back end, I have no idea until I actually do it. Part number 58632, made in 2016. Who would have thought? Anyway, so it comes with that. That will look pretty cool. Back into some of the other good stuff. So it looks like here we have, since this is a TTO2, I mean, it's got all the same parts, obviously through all the TT series, TTO2 series, I should say. We got battery strap, hold downs, motor cover, and some of the good stuff. Got bumpers, the trailer part at the back. That's right, that is the technical term for that, trailer part at the back. So if you go anywhere, you just say that, they'll know exactly what you're talking about. Now we got some mirrors, got some little L pieces. Look at that. These are sick. See that okay? Sick. They're all the same size too, so that's pretty decent. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. Where am I going? I'm looking at the camera when I'm trying to do that. So that's pretty cool. Take most of this stuff, put it over here, so we don't get overcrowded. Wheels are awesome. I we got the tires. Looks just kind of like a normal tread there. You can see that very well, but it's kind of like a normal tire on that. It should be pretty good. Nothing too exciting there, but still pretty badass. We come with the ESC here, which is DBL2BS45 something TBL02, TLB02. I don't know, can't see it. Stock. This is actually brushless ready as well. Yeah, this is brushless ready as well. But remember, you have to buy the Tamiya brushless motor. Not anyone will work with that. You have our little foam for the front bumper. Got our drive line, center, and then all your outdrives. Got your lower chassis. Pretty standard. These things are pretty durable. And then in here we have all the good stuff. So let's put this stuff away. Probably something everybody's always seen or already seen, but you know what? Let's do it again. New on my channel. Before we get into that, let's take a look. We got our manuals. So, typical Tamiya, always awesome. And then, look at that. That is awesome. I love it. I really do. Now you can move out of the way too. So, yeah, those are really nice looking decals. I like that. Let's see if we can zoom in on that a bit. Yeah, I like those. Alright, let's zoom back out. There we go. Alright, so we got manuals now. Let's take a look at the parts that are in here. Oh, that's an awesome sticker sheet. Can't wait to do that. So we got our C bag, our B bag, our A bag. Oh geez. You see that right? Oh yeah. We have our bushings and some bronze bushings as well. Got our torque tune motor. We have our steering stuff. So this is going to be like your servo saver and steering link-ish. You got all the gears for the insides. Very cool. This is a really fun kit to build. It's not very difficult at all. So it's fun to just kind of go through, get her done in a couple of days. And then in here you have body pins, some screws. I believe this is all going to be for possibly the body itself. Not too sure. And there you go. So I'm pretty excited about this kit. I mean, second round of COVID coming through. Trying to stay home as much as I can. I'd like to thank all the people out there that are working and supporting everything that we do, and thank them, thank you for doing everything that you do to make our life a little safer. And I really appreciate that and respect you guys. So yeah, so this is the racing truck, the MAN TGS. This is gonna be a great build. I don't have a lot of space for on-road cars, but I think that's gonna change. A couple doors up, we have a big concrete pad. It's actually a parking lot, but I'm gonna call it a concrete pad. All I have to do is like sweep it up, and yeah, I got a couple of other on-road cars as well. I'm gonna try drifting. I built a kit up a couple of years ago, so try to get onto more of that as well. You know, life gets busy, so you gotta keep up with it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you like it. I hope this is a decent video for you to show what you're gonna get in this type of box. Oh man, there's so much to do on this. Oh, can't wait. Anyway, sorry, very excited. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.